Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. As Biden's popularity noses over Afghanistan crisis, many Americans feel Harris will replace him. As the approval ratings of US President Joe Biden dropped to the lowest in his 7th-month presidency, amid the Afghanistan crisis, many Americans are now feeling Vice President Kamala Harris may replace him. In a latest survey, Rasmussen report said that 43% believe that Kamala Harris is qualified to run the nation versus 55% who do not believe that she is qualified. Out of that, 47% of likely voters said she is not at all qualified. Those poor numbers probably result from the bad impression she was left on the country amid failures to fix the border crisis and get liberal elections reforms passed in Congress, said the report by Washington Examiner. On the other hand, President Joe Biden's approval rating dropped by 7 percentage points and hit the lowest level as the US-backed Afghan government collapsed over the weekend in an upheaval that sent thousands of civilians and Afghan military allies fleeing for their safety, according to Reuters Ipsos poll. A separate Ipsos Snap poll also conducted on Monday found that fewer than half of Americans like the way Biden has steered the US military and the diplomatic effort in Afghanistan this year. The president, who just last month praised Afghan forces for being as well equipped as many in the world, was rated worse than the other three presidents who presided over the United States' longest war. India Today e-mind rocks Neeraj Chopra other youth icons to share their success mantra. India's biggest youths with India Today in Mind Rocks will bring amazing mind rockers together at one virtual platform on August 20 and 21 and share candid conversation about their journey, inspiration and success mantra. After being a ground event for 10 years with 18 editions across 9 cities, Mind Rocks reinvented itself and went virtual last year, given the current time. So what to expect from the today? Even this time, nothing short of the best, of course. As always, there's an impressive line-up of leading stars and youth icons. Some of the names include Olympic gold winner Neeraj Chopra, Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, actors Arjun Kapoor, Kriti Sanon, Bhumi Pednekar and Pankaj Tripathi, and author Amish Tripathi. YouTuber Karim Minati will be in the session called Viral Session. The session, learning in the times of COVID lessons for the young, will see author Amish Tripathi sharing his wisdom and insights. The topic for actor Roshan Mathew will be language Nova, when it takes to be a pan-Indian hero. The topic for Dharmendra Pradhan, Union Minister of Education and Minister of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, the new normal for education. Kriti Sanon will speak on Star Speak, Now I Made It a Big in Bollywood. There are lots of actors who are going to perform in this platform. The Olympic gold winner also there, Neeraj Chopra, will speak at the session titled The Making of a Champion. IPL 2021, Mahendra Singh Dhoni new look leaves when wondering sends social media into a teasing. Whether his long hair going bald or the mohawk style, Mahendra Singh Dhoni is known as for his makeovers. On Thursday, the official broadcasters of the Indian Premier League Star Sports posted a new photo of MS Dhoni sporting a spunky look. The photo has gone viral with fans wondering what the new look is all about, while speculation is rife that MS Dhoni's new look is going to be part of a commercial for the second phase of the Indian Premier League 2021 starting in a month's time in UAE. Star Sports shared the photo with a disclaimer that read MS Dhoni up to something new before VI Vivo IPL. Hashtag Vivo IPL. Stay tuned for the Asli picture. Hashtag Asli picture abhi baki hai. Dhoni will be seen in the action next for the Chennai Super Kings when they take on the Mumbai Indians on September 19 in the 2021 IPL. The IPL was postponed halfway through its group stage due to the COVID-19 pandemic will now resume with the match between CSK and MI in the UAE. Because Ego Dhoni has seen in an entirely new hairstyle and beard style in an Instagram post by hairstylist Alim Hakim. Legend Dhoni sports a dashing look. Truly enjoyed with this haircut and beard for our legend at the Red Mahi 7781, said Hakim in his Instagram post. MS Dhoni was seen arriving in Chennai earlier this week. The Chennai Super Kings captain was seen at the airport in the photo shared by the team on social media. CSK do not have fond memories of the UAE as they finished second last in IPL 2020, their worst season as they missed out on the playoff berth for the first time. However, Dhoni's men roared back to form, winning 5 of their first 7 matches in the IPL 2021.
Zero Vision, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। Zero Vision আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.